Hello everyone, welcome to Cracku video series. In today's video, let's have a look at GK questions on books and authors. First question, what is the title of the book revealed by CDS General Anil Chauhan at Pune's Defense Literature Festival? The answer is Artificial Intelligence and National Security. Second question, what is the title of the book released by Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar on the Haryana government? The answer is 9 Incredible Years of Haryana Government, Rise of the New and Vibrant Haryana. Third question, what is the title of the poetry collection authored by BrahMos Aerospace Deputy CEO Sanjeev Joshi? The answer is Ek Samandar Mere Andar. What is the title of the book released by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma on the political history of Assam? The answer is Political History of Assam 1947 to 1971. Himanta Biswa Sharma released the first edition of Political History of Assam, that is from 1947 to 1971. What is the title of the book launched by Union Home Minister Amit Shah in Guwahati? The answer is Assam's Brave Heart, Lachit Barpukhan. Sixth question, what is the title of the book authored by Chitra Banerjee Divakaruni on Sudha and Narayana Murthy's early life? The answer is An Uncommon Love, the early life of Sudha and Narayana Murthy. Seventh one, what is the title of the book launched by M.J. Akbar and K. Natwar Singh? The answer is Gandhi, A Life in 3 Campaigns. M.J. Akbar and K. Natwari launched the book Gandhi, A Life in 3 Campaigns. Eighth question, what is the title of the book unveiled by Union Minister Bhupendra Yadav? The answer is Modi, Energizing a Green Future. Ninth question, what is the title of the book released by retired General V.K. Singh? The answer is Sanskriti Ke Ayam. Retired General V.K. Singh released the book Sanskriti Ke Ayam, which was authored by Manorama Mishra. 10th question, what is the title of the autobiography penned by General Manoj Mukund Narwane? The answer is 4 Stars of Destiny, an autobiography. What is the title of the coffee table book presented to Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his visit to Tiruchi? The answer is Sri Rangam, the Resplendent Kingdom of Rangaraja. What is the title of the book unveiled by Governor of Kerala, Arif Mohammed? The answer is Ram Mandir, Rashtra Mandir, Aksaji Virast. 13th question, what is the title of Madhav Godbul's book on the Babri Masjid Ram Mandir Dilemma? The answer is The Babri Masjid Ram Mandir Dilemma, an acid test for India's constitution. What is the title of the book released by Raghuram Rajan and economist Rohit Lamba? The answer is Breaking the Mold, Reimagining India's Economic Future. On which date did Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveil the first series of 11 volumes comprising the collected works of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya? The answer is on 25th of December 2023. Who launched the book Naye Bharat Ka Samveda, highlighting PM Modi's speeches? The answer is Ramnath Kovind. What genre does Huma Qureshi's debut novel Zeba, an Accidental Superhero, belong to? The answer is fantasy fiction. What is the title of the book released by CM Pushkar Dhami highlighting PM Modi's role in disaster management? The answer is Resilient India. What's the title of Twinkle Khanna's 4th book launched on 29th of November 2023? The answer is Welcome to Paradise. Who launched the book India's Movement Changing Power Equations Around the World? The answer is Vikram K. Doraiswamy. The High Commissioner of India to UK, Vikram K. Doraiswamy, launched the book. Who authored the book Pranab, My Father, A Daughter Remembers? The answer is Sharmishti Mukherjee. Who released the book Thread by Thread, on the life of Shambhu Kumar Kasliwal? The answer is Kapil Dev. Who unveiled the book Do Palkan Ki Chavan Mein, authored by Dr. Hema Joshi? The answer is Prasoon Joshi. Who decided to withdraw the publication of the autobiography Nilavu Kudicha Simhangal? The answer is S. Somnath. How many books did PM Narendra Modi release during his visit to Tulasi Peeth in Chitrakoot? The answer is 3. Who launched the book The Reverse Swing, Colonialism to Corporation? The answer is Hardeep Singh Puri. 27th question. What is the title of Vivek Agnihotri's latest book launched in Lucknow? The answer is The Book of Life, My Dance with Buddha for Success. Who introduced the e-book People's G20, providing insights into India's G20 presidency? The answer is Apurva Chandra. Apurva Chandra, who is the Secretary of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, introduced the e-book People's G20. Who is the author of the book Fire on the Ganges, Life Among the Dead in Banaras? The answer is Radhika Iyengar. Radhika Iyengar is the author of the book Fire on the Ganges, Life Among the Dead in Banaras. What is the title of the graphic novel on Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath? The answer is Ajay to Yogi Adityanath. Who released books based on the speeches of Prime Minister Narendra Modi? The answer is Shivraj Singh and Anurag Thakur. Anurag Thakur and Shivraj Singh Chauhan released books based on PM Modi's speeches titled Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas. 32nd question. What's the title of Amrit Mathur's autobiography? The answer is Indian Cricket Chronicles. What are the 3 books released by P.S. Sridharan Pillai? The answer is option A, Heritage Trees of Goa, When Parallel Lines Meet, My Dear Poems. What's the title of Vipul Ricky's book on Kabir? The answer is Drunk on Love, The Life, Vision and Songs of Kabir. What's the title of K. Abhai's new poetry book? The answer is Monsoon, A Poetry of Love and Longing. What's the title of Neeraj Chowdhury's book? The answer is How Prime Ministers Decide. What's the title of Rishiraj's book on Kargil? The answer is Kargil, Ek Yatri Ki Zubani. What's the title of Chetna Maru's debut novel? The answer is Western Lane. What's the title of the book released by Amit Shah on APJ Abdul Kalam? The answer is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Memories Never Die. What's the title of Ranjit Pratap's book? The answer is As the Wheel Turns. Who released the Malayalam translation of Krishna, the Seventh Sense? The answer is Arif Muhammad Khan. What's the title of T.N. Sheshan's autobiography? The answer is Through the Broken Glass, an autobiography. Who are the authors of the book India Rising Memoir of a Scientist? The answer is R. Chidambaram and Suresh Gangotra. Where was Vinod Mankara's book Prism, the Ancestral Adobe of Rainbow released? The answer is Sriharikota. Vinod Mankara's book was released from the rocket launch pad at Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. 45th question. What's the title of Abhishek Chowdhury's biography capturing the early years of Atal Bihari Vajpayee? The answer is Vajpayee, the Ascent of the Hindu Right, 1924 to 77. What is the focus of the book Colors of Devotion by Anita Bharat Shah? The answer is Pushti Marg's Philosophical Concepts. Sudha Pai and Sajjan Kumar authored a book focusing on which theme? The answer is Dalit Politics in the Time of Hindutva. Rupa Pai's book, The Yoga Sutras for Children, aims to connect the practice of yoga with what? The answer is with children's everyday lives. What's the focus of A.K. Bhattacharya's book, India's Finance Ministers? The answer is Economic Policies in India. 50th question. What's the title of Ambassador Satish Chandra's book? The answer is A Life Well Spent, 4 Decades in the Indian Foreign Service. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon below. In case of any doubts, please do comment in the comment section below. Thank you.